Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can create the animated progress bar using Canva. So I'm going to show you the update method and simple and easy method. So let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app. So first we need to take blank page. So you can take the presentation normal blank page, or you can take the video also. Okay, there is an option called videos. So you can take any videos presentations or take the normal presentation blank page. So I just take the presentation only. Okay, now what we need to do, you can see if you have using the pro Canva, you will find that already, you know, canva canva stock progress bar animated video. Like go to the elements and search for animated progress bar. Okay, so here in graphic, or you need to go in videos. Here under the videos you can see the lots of progress bar. You can choose any one. Okay, you can see now. You can just click on it, go to the crop, just crop it, take the part as a horizontal, so it will be look like horizontal progress bar. Okay, you can also change that size from here. Just done. Okay, now once you play, the 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 progress bar video will be run. Okay, so this is a simple first method. If you want to create your own or customize your own progress bar, so there is a one method. Go to the elements, search for shapes. Okay, under the shapes you go to the see all, take the any one. I just take this one. Okay, now just click on it, make it like progress bar, resize it by clicking this side dot or arrows. Now I have make that progress bar. Okay, keep it and middle on page. Okay, now just click on it, make border very round. Okay, make it 100%. This should be 110. Okay, the border will be 10. Now you need to change that border color. Okay, make it 10. Okay, go to the border color, change it white. This make round, and take the any background color like this. So now we got that, sorry, progress bar, you can see. Okay, now keep at middle on page. Okay, now we are on middle. Now you can take any image to create the like fill to the, it's look like the fill the progress bar. So just search for image. I will search like sky photo. So just take this one. Okay, there is a photo. Let me go and see all. Okay, I just take this one. Okay, now again you need to make it the same size. Okay, click here, make it 100% round. The border size should be 10. The border color should be white. Now just skip over that shapes. This is our image like. Okay, just fit into that shape. You can use your keyboard arrows to make it proper perfect. Now again go to the shapes, sorry, elements, and search for shapes. Take this one, keep it as start. Let me zoom in. Keep it very close to that progress bar. Just touch to this page border, make it white or same as your background color. So my background color is white, so I just make it white only. Okay, okay, so now we have this shape here, and this is my progress bar. Go to the position, so come to the layer. So now this is our shape, this is our image, and last, second last, we have that shape, and that this is our border page, sorry, background page, main page. Okay, so this is a, okay, so this is right layers, don't make it overlap and all. Okay, now what you need to do, you can take any elements like fish to make it very professional, or you can see it look like creative. Okay, just keep at starting, so our progress bar will be start decreasing from here to here. Okay, just keep it as start like this. Now select that fish and hit the control button on your keyboard and select that image. Now we have select fish and image. Okay, okay, so we need to first check positions. Okay, so just keep the this shape at first, then that elements like fish, image, then this is the image which you want to fill the progress bar. This is our first shapes, and this is our blank page. Okay, so keep that shape first. Okay, then this and this. Okay, now come to the image, just select that elements, just hit the shift button, hold it, and click on that second image and make it group. Okay, now just click again, it will be group. Now we have group 2 image, this fish and this background image. Now go to the animations and create animations. Now hit the shift key, hold it, and select that, sorry, we need to delete this. Okay, create the animation again. Now hit the shift key, hold it, and now select that elements and just drag at your left side. Okay, slowly drag at the left side and make sure it will be close to this shape. Okay, so now this animation done. Now just click on done, go to the animation again, make it, okay, this is our animation, so make it smooth. Okay, you can increase the speed if you want. Okay, this is orient element to path, whatever, you can enable it. Okay, okay, it will be appear on click if you want to enable it. So when you click, it will be start progressing. Okay, here the click order. Okay, now I just disable this click, done. Now I just present it. I can see this progress bar has been done. Okay, so this is a method. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.